Burton gang. We in the building. We in the building. We in the building. Gang. Gang. Gang, 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 gang. When I say Burton, y'all say gang. Burton.
Gang.
Burton.
Gang.
We in the building. We never going down. Climbing our way back to the crime.
Hey guys, this is Burton Gang. Okay, y'all. So, in this video, we're gonna do hydroponic tomatoes. Hydroponic tomatoes. It's gonna be the little bitty tomatoes. So we trying out hydroponic tomatoes, guys, in this video. So yeah, stay tuned. Keep watching so y'all can learn something, keep growing. Yes, this is Burton Gang. If y'all new to our channel, we do everything over here. We entrepreneurs. We garden, DIY, animals, cooking videos. We do just about everything over here. Real talk videos when I'm coming and telling you the truth about real life. So we do just about everything on the Burton Gang channel. You want to watch it? We got it. We already did it. We already videoed it. We got over 100 some videos. I lost count. But anyway, stay tuned for our hydroponic. Okay, guys. So we are making. Let me show y'all. 1 second. Okay, these are tomatoes.
From cuttings.
From cuttings. These are the suckers. From cuttings, you know, that come off the tomatoes that put on that get too long and stuff, you guys. Okay, so we cut. Actually, y'all big bro cut all this while I was feeding the animals. And so with these cuttings, we making a hydroponic, and that's to make your roots grow. I got it. Yeah. That's to make your roots grow. And y'all big bro made his own solution, mixed it all up. He made his own solution and stuff like that. He had other stuff up in here and took it out so the tomatoes can get in here. So that's why you see it's a little dirty and stuff, because we used it not too long ago and we ate it. It was actually lettuce, but we ate it all and harvested it. I made a big salad. So with these cuttings, and these are pool noodles, all y'all big bro did was cut them and cut a split, put it in, cut little holes. He actually cut the holes like this, as you see, right that, and then he put the pool noodles inside. Ain't y'all big bro genius? So this, we growing aquaponic pool noodle tomatoes. So yeah, we actually gonna see how it's going to grow. So with this being big, it's going to actually reach the water. So this is no soil, no nothing. Okay, guys? So, I'll be right back. Because I'm basically going to put it in there. Huh?
It's hydroponic.
Oh, hydroponic. I'm sorry.
Aquaponic is different.
Okay, hydroponic. Okay, I'm thinking, should I start over?
Nope.
Okay, hydroponic, guys. My bad. I'm just now getting into it. Y'all big bro been knew about it. So, hydroponic is what?
Just water.
It's just water. And then the what's the other one?
Aquaponic is fish.
Aquaponic is fish. So right here, y'all know we got fish, but we're not using that. So right here is this was set up again.
Hydroponic.
Hydroponic, guys. This is hydroponic, okay? You see the water is green. Okay, let me go ahead and put these in here. Okay, guys, look at the hydroponic. Hydroponic. Yeah. Okay, I balanced some out. I put small with big, big with small. So I'm excited, and you can actually see some of it in the water. Let me show you this one. See? You can actually see it in the water.
Days, it should be doing some roots.
Yeah, give it a couple days. It's gonna be doing some roots, guys, and you're gonna see some little bitty tomatoes. Actually, I'm thinking this one gonna be they're gonna be a mix of the little bitty tomatoes and like this, because I specifically told y'all big bro I want the little bitty tomatoes where you could just pop in your mouth and make a salad with it real quick. You don't have to have a big old tomato this big, all sloppy and nasty. I love the little bitties. Y'all. Okay. As y'all, this is one by itself. Look at that. And as you see right here, a little flower is growing. A little flower, guys. A little flower. Oh, little flower. Okay, guys. That's it. This video was short. This is our hydroponic system with growing tomatoes. So, I will do an update so we can see if it's going to be any roots that's going to be down here in the water. So we're going to see, guys, and I hope you guys start growing and keep growing. This is Burton Gang. We out. Gang.
Burton Gang. We in the building. We in the building. We in the building. Gang. Gang. Gang, 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 gang. When I say Burton, y'all say gang. Burton.
Gang.
Burton.
Gang.
We in the building. We never going down. Time to way back to the crime.